Alright, so I've got this General Electric transformer. See, and I don't know what the primary voltage is. I think it's just 120 volts, but I'm not exactly sure, so I'm just going to be testing it out. So I've got these two wires here. I think that's the primary there, so I'm going to put them onto that, and then I can hook it up here. But I'm going to be using a microwave transformer to limit the current to about like 12 amps, whatever. And then so there's gonna be 120 volts of primary, and if I measure that and it's close to about 100 or so, that'll just be a 120 to 120 transformer. But there's actually two outputs, so I can hook them up in series and get 240 volts, which isn't the most useful thing, but I'll see what I can do here. Alright, so the neutral goes to one of these, and then the live goes through the transformer into the other primary. Then the output of the transformer, I have it shorted, so it'll allow more current to go through, but not too much. So now I just need to plug this in and turn it on, like that. We'll see what this thing does. So I take this, put it right there. There we go. Let's make sure nothing's gonna happen. Okay, looks good. Voltage. And there's 65. Alright, so I'm gonna remove this transformer and just hook it directly, and then we'll see what we get. So I'm actually getting 70 volts AC. So I think the input for the primary would be 240 volts. So I'm gonna test that next. Alright, so all I've done is moved the white wire over here. So each of these is 120, and that's your neutral somewhere over there. So when you put them together, you get 240 volts across both. Let's test it out here. Oop. Should probably do something about that. Alright. And on 140. What is wrong with this thing? Alright, so see, all I've done here is extended the wires, make them a lot easier to get to. That there. Alright. $142. Okay. Same, 142. And 40. Alright, now I think it's in series. Yep. 280. Alright, and then I'm going to try out one more thing here. So what I've done is I'm giving it electricity in the opposite way. So I'm feeding electricity to the secondary. I'm putting 240 volts in the secondary, because that's what it says the output is supposed to be. Somewhere on there. Oh well. Alright, let's give it a shot here. Gotta plug that back in. Make sure nothing's shorting. Okay. Breakers. Alright, we get 211 volts. Well, I don't really know what I could do with this transformer. Maybe y'all might know a use for this. It's basically it's 240, then it splits. There's 240 volt outputs, which you can wire in series or parallel.